Hey all, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to talk to you about a company. One that has already become a penny stock by falling below $1 for a while. And even now it's under $1. However, its recent positive achievements are not registering with the market. So I want to talk about that and just ask you a question. Something that I ask myself every day when I look at this stock. But before we proceed, I would like to request that if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and help us grow this channel. Subscription is absolutely free. With that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Imagine that a company works on curing HPV-initiated tumors. Then imagine that its therapy shows excellent results. Would you invest in such a company? What if you then find out that its share price is below $1? What would you do then? SQZ Biotechnologies said late Wednesday that the first patient in the lowest dose group of a phase 1 trial of investigational cancer therapy, which is called SQZ/AAC-HPV, showed a confirmed complete response. That's the best possible response you could get for any therapy. The patient had a history of metastatic human papillomavirus 16 positive or HPV16 plus rectal squamous cell carcinoma, and was administered with 2 prior lines of treatment but had not been treated with immune checkpoint inhibitors. And the company said that it has had very positive results with this patient. The company, which has enrolled the second and third patients in the trial, said it has concluded the dose-limiting toxicity period for the lowest dose group and expects initial data from the highest dose group by Q4. So this is going to be a rapid progress out here on this therapy. The company shares were up 11% in pre-market trading activity on March 23, 2023 when it announced this news, and it ended at 81 cents on that day. However, since then it has now dropped to $0.632 as of close of trading yesterday. As at September 2022, SQZ Biotech had cash and cash equivalents of around $67 million and no debt. In the last year, its cash burn was somewhere around $84 million, if I'm not mistaken. So it had a cash runway of approximately 10 or 12 months from September 2022. So SQZ Biotech has to reduce its cash burn. We'll find out whether it has been able to do that since the last report. SQZ Biotech's cash burn of $84 million is significantly more than its US $18.57 million market capitalization. That's another thing that is worrisome. This would mean that the company may have difficulties finding some funding. On the other hand, the market size is currently close to USD 1 billion for HPV16 plus tumors, and there are over 10 therapies competing in this market, and SQZ Biotech has got a couple of them in the competition. Also note that in their quarterly earnings of 22nd March 2023, they exceeded EPS by 42.88%. Though still in loss, they also exceeded revenue by 132.66% and came in at 11.93 million against an expected 5.12 million. Can they pull off something like that this quarter as well? So that's another thing that I'm thinking about. And in their previous earnings release, they had mentioned that they are exploring collaboration opportunities for leading candidates in their pipeline. So do you think we might hear of any such collaboration, or is it possible that one of the pharma majors might just take over this company? So my question to you is, what will you do with this company? With share prices at 0.62, is it worth a gamble, or do you stand to lose all your money? I want to hear your comments, so put it in the comments below so that I can see, I can understand where you're coming from. The question is, will a pharma major pick up this company on the cheap? Well, I don't have the answers, and if you have any answers, please let me know. I look forward to see your comments. With that, I would like to end this video. Bye for now.